Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that it has been recorded in paragraph 42 of the impugned judgment order that the gross amount charged by the appellant includes both conceptualization fees and expenditures reimbursement which was held liable to service tax and by the impugned order full stop. He submits that it is undisputed that the additional amounts which the appellant received were towards reimbursement of expenses paid by it towards third party as has been recorded correctly in paragraph 42 of the impugned order full stop. However, the commissioner has not accepted the appellant's claim that it was acting as a pure agent for its clients in respect of such payments received as reimbursement on the ground that it had not fulfilled full stop. He submits that their case is squarely covered by the judgment of Supreme Court and reimbursements of amounts which it received cannot be charged to service tax full stop. On careful consideration of the suggestions given by the learned amicus curiae, this court is of the view that in order to implement section 21b of the Hindu Marriage Act in their true letter and spirit, all petitions under the Hindu Marriage Act should be accompanied by an affidavit of assets, income and expenditure of the petitioner full stop. If the spouse claiming the maintenance is petitioner, application under section 24 is filed along with the petition, whereas if the spouse claiming maintenance is respondent, the application under section 24 along with the affidavit of assets, income and expenditure of the respondent be filed within 30 days of the service of the notice full stop. The response to the affidavit of assets, income and expenditure of the respondent be filed by the petitioner within 2 weeks, and the trial court should thereafter take up the application under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act full stop with respect to sections 25 and 27 of the Hindu Marriage Act, the well settled principles need to be followed full stop in view of the above facts and circumstances, the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the revisionist submitted that the impugned judgment is bad in law as the same was passed without considering the facts of the case and without perusing the documents, materials on record full stop. It is, therefore, prayed that the judgment dated 27th November, 2017 passed by the learned principal judge be modified and the quantum of maintenance be enhanced full stop. Per contra, respondent in person vehemently opposed the instant revision petition and submitted that the same is based on false, vague comma concocted, comma frivolous and fictitious facts, stop and over। सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशन। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।